Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is an awesome topic. I was waiting to report on this topic for the past 3.5 years. But before I tell you that, I really appreciate everybody's support, my awesome Patreons. You keep me independent, so if you want to support this channel, please become a Patreon. Or you can shop on the awesome Electric Israeli store. And the topic for today is the following. Why did I not replace my brake pads on my Chevy Volt? I have this car for over 3 years. I have more than 60,000 miles on it. And as a 55-year-old man, I can tell you that I owned and leased many cars, more than I can remember. And I can tell you at this point, if this was not an electric car, I will have at least changed the brakes pad at least once, if not twice. And for the simple reason, not a knock or anything, but it's a simple reason that, it's a wear and tear. You use it a lot. And after, let's say, 25, 30,000 miles, naturally, you're going to lose a grip and you change your brakes pad. Not in here. I just brought it from the 60,000 miles maintenance. Just did a little oil change and checkup, no big deal. And I asked the mechanic, take a look. He said, no problem, these brakes are going to last for a long time. Now, why is that? So as you know, electric cars, pure electric or plug-in hybrid, they have something called regenerative braking. So when you lift the foot off the throttle, like I am now, immediately there is something called regen, as the system uses the engine and the spin to block the car, and the system actually also used to put energy back. Now, when you actually do press the brakes, they use the friction the heat to put some energy back into the battery. So how do I drive this car? I basically put it on the low gear. I have a pedal in the left hand under the wheel. And every time I want to stop, I want to slow down or even stop completely, once I lift the foot off the throttle and I press the pedal on the left side, the car significantly slows down. Now, it will not stop the car completely, but it slows it down significantly. So the use of the brakes in this car is very minimal. In my Tesla, the regen is so pronounced and significant that, and especially when I put it on adaptive cruise control, I literally don't use the brakes. Literally don't use the brakes. Now, brakes repairs can be pricey, $300. From what I remember, it was a long time ago, $300, $500, depending what car you have. But I believe now that I have 60,000 miles on this car, I believe I can go 40 more, maybe 60 more, without worrying about changing the brake pads or wearing them down, or even, God forbid, losing them. It's just another factor to think about, the long-term effect of owning an electric car. Now, the Chevy Volt regen and pedal is nice. The Bolt EV, there is literally a one-pedal driving. The new Nissan Leaf 2018 and 2019, a friend of mine has one. Again, they have a one-pedal option. Really, literally, you'll never use the brake. Those brakes will last, quote unquote, forever. So that is another benefit that you have when you use an electric car. The maintenance cost and the repairs that you used to from gasoline cars just don't exist. I remember I used to have a Ford Explorer. I changed 2 or 3. I owned it for a long time, more than 100,000 miles. I changed 2 or 3 brakes, 2 or 3 radiators, alternator, the 12-volt battery a few times. It's just significant amount of repair that you accustomed to. Here, they don't exist. And here just gave you another reason why electric cars are so awesome. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, if you want to share your repair experience in your Chevy Volt or any other electric car, be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please consider supporting this channel by becoming a patron or shop at the Electric Israeli store. And I'll see you tomorrow.